All right, man, I finally figured out the secret. It took me a long time. I was thinking, what in the world is going on here? So yeah, there's a back panel over here. This thing used to sit right here, and it was blocking me, so I had to pull this off, and that really opens up the space back here. That was the missing piece. I was, can you guys see that? I was having a real hard time here. I was watching YouTube videos, and everyone's just snapping it in. Like, what the hell is going on here? Why can't I do that? But all right, that should be, I think, yeah, oh yeah, I got tons of room in here now. This is beautiful. This is what I needed. I took off 4 of these slot covers. All right, let me, you know what, let me, first of all, I got this, so this is the GoPro attachment for the head strap that I haven't been using at all for the last, oh geez, you guys don't need to see my kitchen. I gotta do dishes, all right? I'm too busy building a computer to do dishes, I'm sorry. All right, you guys are gonna have to see my kitchen because I gotta line these holes up. There we go, all right. Whew. All right, let's try this again. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. I never know. I've said that every video. Sorry for talking your ear off. But all right, ground. Yeah, I can ground on the computer case. I've been touching the base of my lamp the whole time. All I gotta do is touch the computer case. All right, here we go. Let's try this again. Man, I was just like, how are you supposed to do this? And yeah, this is gonna be a lot better. I can tell already. Oh yeah, now I can slide it left. Yeah, this, there's no way you guys can see that. Maybe if I point it down a little bit. Maybe now. Yeah, so I'm already lined up pretty good. I need to go a little bit more left. Hold on, let me, there we go. That should be good. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I can even pull it left. There we go. I think I'm in. Boom! Snapped in, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we're cooking with gas. You guys see that? Yeah, it's, oh, well, now I'm causing a shadow. Trust me, it's in there. Thank goodness. Jeez, I was like, what in the world? What is wrong with me? I can't figure out how to freaking screw this thing in. All right, yeah, let's see here. I took off 4 of these covers. I only need 2. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and screw this in. I will add the 2 covers I don't need back. Can you guys see that? Probably not. It's dark over here. Well, ugh. All right. I mean, if I'm gonna put this online, you might as well see what I'm doing, right? Oh man, can you? Oh jeez. I'm gonna pretend that's pointing at the screw. We're gonna find out. If you can't see, all I'm doing is screwing in a screw to a PCIe slot. It's not a big deal. All right, that's in, that's in. Yeah, that's in. All right, now we're cooking with gas. All right, so this card, uh-oh, I just totally changed the, there's a power button up top that you can do to change, boom. All right, there's my white light. Yeah, so this card only has the 1 PCIe connector here, the extra power it needs. I understand if you go with a big baller top of the line card, some of them even have 3 connectors, but me and my crappy graphics card, we only got 1, so I'm going to just plug this in right here. Uh-oh, that's in the shadows. Oh, yeah, the slot just engaged the locked position there, so I'm glad that happened because I didn't realize it hadn't. All right, that's it. I'm gonna have this thing hanging off. That's too bad, but I looked at all the cables. My power supply did not come with just a single PCIe power cord. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna put in the slot covers for there and there. And man, I just had the idea of feeding this thing. This is the 24 pin connector, not through this bottom slot, but through the lip here. Oh, I probably should have done that. Wasn't thinking, because this is a lot of cable to be in the viewing area, but I don't know, that might be a couple weekends project when I have the patience again to work with this power supply, because dealing with attaching all the cables to that power supply in here was an absolute... I'm gonna keep it ears friendly for grandma. I will cover my mouth, but yeah, it's not something I want to deal with very often. So that's it. I think this is it, man. I'm about to turn this thing on. I don't know what to do next. I might try a memory test. I'm definitely gonna poke around in the BIOS. Does BIOS even come with memory tests these days? I don't even know, but that's Gparted does, because I was just doing Gparted to change some of the partition sizes on a hard drive on a crappy laptop I got, but that I'm using for mass network storage. So yeah, I just changed the partition on that, and the Gparted disk had a memory test on it, so nothing else, I'll do a memory test that way, but yeah, I'm pumped. And I already got a USB stick allocated for Fedora install disk, so yeah, really coming together. It's coming together. Stay tuned. I guess the next video might be me just powering this sucker up, you know. I don't know, I've installed everything that I can think of. Got the hard drive, got the graphics card, got the heatsink, all the fans. So I looked down real close here, there's some like ARGB fan connectors, and I wonder if I should have plugged these into those. I just plugged these into system fans, but they're already plugged into this RGB fan controllers, so I don't know. I think that's supposed to be what happens there, but anyway, it's looking good. It is a little tight. I do wish I'd bought a bigger case, but you know, like I said in one of my earlier videos, this was Cyber Monday. You know, this was on sale, so I really didn't know anything about anything. I did not do a lot of research before I started buying things, which is mostly stupid, but yeah, I've mostly had pretty good luck. Well, 100%. I haven't bought anything yet that just hasn't fit in here, so it's really cool how everybody kind of gets together and makes all this work. Yeah, I am disappointed in how many cables I got running through this bottom port. Starting with here, I'm gonna have to reroute these things through this lip, and you know what? I might do the same with the PCI with the CPU power. But these are so short on tolerance, they might have to go through here. But this big fat cable, this can go through this lip here. I'm gonna have to rewire that, which is gonna make me sad, but I think it needs to happen. So anyway, that's about it. We'll see. I hope I didn't short anything out. I hope I didn't break something with my